That's my buddy, drinking on the muddy. Pass it all off to the dogs, let them cutty. Make sure you let her experience her nutty. Put that dick all in all the ribs and a gutty. Drinking Kid Cudi, acting all slutty. In front company, Trayvon hoodie, dogs all goody. Done one pimpin' bitches, black tees, hoodies. Do-rag business, looking all boogie. But saving all your cookies. Act to the right, red for the rookies. Ass on the right, and on the left. Bunch of wealthy rich guys, like ourselves, yeah. Yeah, like ourselves, yeah. And you was supposed to call me back, but I'm glad you didn't, cause I got busy. I just got a call when my brothers got whacked. It was time to rise.
One of the most scariest places to be is in the courtroom. I want to tell you something. Before you step in the courtroom, whatever your calling is in life, whether it's to voodoo, whether it's to the church, I want to say this: you want to put God first. You want to put whatever you believe in first. Because listen, men, they're fallible, they're subject to error. And some of men are just weak at will. So I want to say this to you: you want to stay prayed up. So now, I'm going to get into my message tonight. I want to talk about courtroom magic. Do I offer it as a service? At the moment, I don't. But what I will tell you is this: when you're doing this court magic, it's a hit or miss. So you need someone that's going to be dedicated to aiding you. If they're going to do court magic for you, they got to be on that. I don't care if you're to appear in the courtroom 6 months down the line, you'd better be on your job at this moment. One thing about court magic that a person has to understand is that there's a couple of things that can happen if it's done correctly. Less time, probation, or case thrown out. Depending on your background, that can alter those situations. So therefore, if you're a person that has a history of crime documented, then you have to take this into consideration, that the judges may not be as lenient towards giving you, let's just say, probation. They may give you less time. The better you are as a person, the easier cases will be. When you're doing court case magic, again, you got to be consistent, because what you have to realize is that you only get one chance. And if you mess that up, I'm going to tell you this: when you're doing your work, you got to dot all your I's and cross all your T's, because if you mess up, you can end up with more time than you were expecting, or you can end up having the case actually turn against you. So if you're supposed to win the court case, whatever the situation is, you may find that everything flips on you and you end up losing.